Hi everyone! I am so happy today. I'm so excited because I'm excited for the giveaway. This is my very first giveaway in my page, and when I say my first giveaway, it's because I hope there are many more to come. Okay? Not I hope, I think there will be. There definitely will be more to come. So before we find out and announce who our winner is, I just want to share with you a little bit about how I'm actually able to do this, how I'm able to have product to just give away because it's fun, because I want to. So I'm going to start by telling you that Norwex is an extremely generous company, okay? And when I'm talking about generosity, I'm talking about they are generous to the hostesses. So anybody who hosts a party has the opportunity to earn hundreds of dollars of product for free, absolutely free. I have actually several hostesses in this group who were like blown away when they got their free products, when they got their hostess rewards. And they sent me pictures and they're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I got all of this and I spent nothing. So very generous when it comes to hostess rewards. And it's kind of cool because as a hostess, you are introducing these products to your friends and family to hopefully, create a safer haven in their home to get rid of harmful chemicals and just have healthier options for them. So pretty cool. Again, with the generosity, as a consultant, Norwex is extremely generous. We have a really great compensation commission. And as a consultant, I also I can have my own party open all the time. Okay, so I have a party open for myself all the time, and when I decide to cash that out, like my hostesses that month, I get all the hostess rewards and I get a shopping spree. How cool is that? How cool is that? Okay, and then as a consultant, when we reach certain sales goals, we are also rewarded with free product. So there's so many ways that Norwex shows generosity to both hostesses and consultants. Okay, so just want to throw it out there if anyone's interested in hosting a party or joining me on the team, becoming a consultant. I would love to talk to you. Go ahead and just send me a private message and we could chat about it. I'd love to. All right, so now I have my assistant here, Allie. Come here, Allie. Oh, she doesn't want to show herself today. She's usually okay with it. I have a computer program the name wheel, so it's totally fair. So everybody who commented, oh wait, can you turn the light off for a minute? Okay, so everybody who commented on the post is here. Allie's gonna go ahead and spin the wheel. So it's totally random, it's not fixed. Lisa K! Is that what it says? Mm-hmm. Woo! Alrighty, Lisa. All right, so Lisa, here's the deal. You can choose from the green, the really pretty sea mist, or the gray, or graphite is what they say, okay? So let me know which one you want and I will get that to you, okay? Yay! All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and talk a little bit about the dust mitt and the rubber brush, which are the products of the week, okay? So the dust mitt is so awesome because it picks up the dust off the surface in your home, right? Okay, so a lot of cotton towels or whatever, you're just like pushing stuff around, right? It's not actually picking it up. You're like, what the heck? Dust is flying everywhere. You use one of your household cleaners and that actually leaves like Pledge and stuff like that. They actually leave like a residue behind, which attracts more like dust and everything. Okay, so you're putting this chemical residue, which is just attracting more stuff. Okay, with the mitt, you're actually picking it up, you're removing it. Okay, it is microfiber. It's a little bit thicker than like our Enviro cloth. It's got the little hang on it. It does have the back lock in it, so if you use it wet, you can rinse it out underwater, or either way, you could rinse it out underwater, wring it out, hang it to dry. That back lock's going to go to work, and it's going to self-sanitize the cloth. Okay. This is mine, so I'm going to use mine for my demo, but you can certainly, actually I'll use these two. So the way this works is you create you create static charge, okay? So you're either gonna, if you have two mitts, you can rub them together, okay? If you don't have two mitts, you have one, you can rub it on itself, okay? And that static charge that you're creating is what's going to attract the dust and dirt and everything to the mitt, all right? Okay, so I'm gonna actually, well, before I do that, I'm gonna introduce the rubber brush and then I'll show you my demo, okay? So the rubber brush, so you're cleaning, you know, your surfaces of your furniture, your banisters. This is really nice because you can kind of grip around the banister. So when you use it to dust normally, unless it's a really heavy job, it's dry. Okay, so you create that charge, you're dusting. When you're all done, you could either take this outside, bang it, I'll bang it on my stoop, you know, if the weather's nice, kind of get the dust off, or that's where the rubber brush comes in handy. You can go ahead, if you have animals, you have a lot of hair, a lot of fur around, you can go ahead and, you know, brush it off like over a garbage can or, you know, whatever. And then go ahead and, you know, you can hang it for next time. This is great for, if you go to the beach, getting sand off of your feet, the kids' feet, does a fantastic job of that. Another great way to use this is wet. If you get it wet, beginning of spring or so, you want to clean your screens before you open them for the season or whatnot. Get this nice and wet and go ahead, clean your screens. You can get it in the windowsill. You'll be amazed at what comes off, okay? And then go wring it underwater. If it's not too bad, hang it to dry. All right, so I will be posting the discounted, the sales prices here shortly. And then our other product was the rubber brush. So I showed you, you know, how you can brush off the mitt. Other uses for this, if you have the mop system, this is a must. Like, you have to have this if you have the mop, because it's just, when you go ahead and you collect all the crumbs and stuff on the floor, you don't want to be touching that. You want to brush it off, right? So fantastic for this. You're probably going to think I'm totally nuts, but I took this and I went over my stairs. I have like 14 stairs going upstairs in my landing, and I went over my stairs with this brush. I'm telling you, it looked better than anytime I've ever vacuumed it. And it really sounds like it'd be painful, but it went really quick. It really did a great job. I've also heard of people who, like, you have animal fur like on your couch, or there was a woman who showed me a demo where she had like one of those cat homes, the cat tower. She went over that, got all the hair and everything. This rubber brush is really handy, and it is super with the mitt. You know, like I was saying, you can go ahead and brush it off, okay? But just to demonstrate, I'm going to show you how well that this actually does pick up some flour. I'm going to put some flour on my island. Oh, thank you, Ellie. My little assistant, she's always watching out for me. Alright, so just sprinkling on the flour here. I was trying to find something else dark that you can see, but... So again, I'm just dusting. I'm going to go ahead and charge up my mitt. Let me see it, Ellie. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, I didn't do it all there. Well, I've got most of it, but you can see how it actually is attracted to the mitt. Okay, and then I can go over the other side with this. It's double-sided, so you can use both sides, you know what I mean? But again, you're not spraying any cleaner to leave any kind of sticky, nasty residue, which isn't healthy for us anyway, and you're actually removing the dust and dirt without just moving it around. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. Like I said, I hope there will be many more products to give away. Again, if you're interested in hosting or the business opportunity, please let me know. And Lisa K will be in touch. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.